head over and see how my daughters are doing over in the upholstery house. See what they're working on today. Some of their projects. Yeah, haven't skimmed that yet. I'm on grandbaby duty, watching the little ones. I've dropped over to my daughter's upholstery shop, see what they're up to this morning.
Oh yeah, we got this center console phobia going back together. We've got it all pulled apart. We've got this beautiful embroidery.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, it's a little old school, but these colors are awesome. Very tropical. It's gonna look great in the Florida sun.
Very nice. Now I see you got your helper with you.
Yeah, Henry's excited to see you, Dad.
Yeah. Now this is how every upholstery shop should look. Hard working. It's all going on in here.
Yeah,
But that's a good sign. That's a good sign.
yeah.
Alright, love you guys.
Love you too, Dad.
So the little house works out good for their upholstery shop. Cut out their stuff here, and they make some really good quality products.